One of the biggest struggles of decluttering is realizing that our belongings hold memories. That old rocking chair, the one you used to hold your grandchild in, it's not just furniture, it's a reminder of a beautiful time in your life. And that's okay, but here's the truth. Your memories don't live in objects, they live in you. Take a picture, share the story, and keep the love alive in your heart. The less you hold on to physically, the more space you have for new experiences. You will face moments of guilt. The guilt of giving things away is real. Maybe it's a gift from someone special, or something you spent hard-earned money on. But keeping something out of guilt is not the answer. Ask yourself, does this item add value to my life today? If not, bless someone else with it. Donate it, give it to a loved one, or let it go with gratitude. You are not defined by your possessions. It can be overwhelming. When you've lived a full life, you accumulate things. And when you finally decide to declutter, it can feel like an impossible mountain to climb. But here's your secret weapon. Start small. One drawer, one shelf, one box. Progress is progress. With each item you release, you are reclaiming your space, your peace, and your freedom. Don't let overwhelm stop you. Just take one step at a time. Family may not value your things like you do. One of the hardest truths. The things you've cherished for decades might not hold the same meaning for your children or grandchildren. And that's okay. Instead of feeling disappointed, ask them what they truly want and be at peace with their choices. Pass down stories, not just stuff. What matters most is a legacy of love, wisdom, and kindness you leave behind, not the furniture or the fine china. The real freedom comes after letting go. At first, decluttering can feel like a loss. But here's what no one tells you. The real reward comes after you let go. The space, the clarity, the lightness in your heart. Less clutter means less stress. Less stress means more joy. And more joy means a life truly well lived. You are not losing, you are gaining. Gaining peace, gaining freedom, gaining the ability to focus on what truly matters. You may experience moments of regret. After decluttering, you may suddenly think, did I make a mistake? This is normal. But remember, if you haven't used or needed something in years, chances are you won't miss it for long. Focus on what you gained. Space, simplicity, and a lighter heart. You'll discover unexpected joys. Once the clutter is gone, you'll notice something incredible. You feel lighter, happier, and more in control. You may rediscover hobbies, find new passions, or simply enjoy the peace of a decluttered space. Sometimes, the things we hold on to block the joy waiting to enter our lives. You'll redefine what matters most. Decluttering isn't just about getting rid of things. It's about gaining clarity on what truly matters. You will begin to focus on relationships, experiences, and moments instead of material items. And that's where true fulfillment lies. It's never too late to start. Some people hesitate, thinking they are too old to declutter. But the truth is, the best time to start is now. Whether you're 50, 70, or 90, taking small steps today will create a more peaceful and comfortable tomorrow. You will inspire others. When you embrace decluttering, you become an inspiration to your family and friends. You show them that life is about living, not accumulating. Your actions will motivate others to seek their own peace and simplicity. You will sleep better. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Once you declutter, you may find that you sleep more peacefully. A serene, organized space can create a relaxing environment that leads to better rest. Truth number 12. You may realize you needed less all along. After decluttering, you might ask yourself, why did I hold on to so much? The truth is, we often need far less than we think. Embracing simplicity can bring a deep sense of fulfillment. Truth number 13. IT will boost your mood. Decluttering isn't just about organizing. It's about creating a positive mindset. A clean, organized space has been proven to boost mood and reduce anxiety. IT can help you embrace the present. Holding on to the past can keep you from fully living in the present. Decluttering allows you to cherish the moment you're in right now and make space for new adventures. Decluttering is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. As you grow, change, and evolve, so should your surroundings. Keep making space for what truly matters. At the end of the day, decluttering is about you. You deserve a home that feels peaceful. You deserve to wake up without stress. And you deserve a life filled with joy, love, and simplicity. Closing. Powerful call to action. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Right Path for more motivational content. Remember, you are in control of your life. Stay strong, stay positive, and keep moving forward.